Are you cooking steak at home tonight?
Or are you ordering steak at a restaurant?
And don't know what wine to pair with it?
Well, today we're going to go over what wines pair best with steak.
Hi, I'm Ken.
And I'm Olivia.
And we're Wine Therapy. Alright, so today we're going to go over how to pair steak with wine. But first, if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. We talk about tips and tricks to help any level of wino learn more about the world of wine.
So first, you want to pair the weight of the wine with the weight of the food. Since steak is a very flavorful and bold entree, you want to pair it with a wine that's very flavorful and full-bodied as well.
So if you've heard that concept before from watching our previous videos, that's good. Just like with other foods, you want to balance the flavor of the food and the wine so that they complement one another.
So what that means, for example, if you have a steak that has pepper on it, you may want to choose a wine that has a pepper flavor to it. Or you may want to choose a wine that is more fruity, and that will balance the peppery flavor of the steak. But it all depends on preference.
And again, like Olivia was saying, pairing wine with food is all about finding your own personal preference. So that means experimenting with different wines and different foods to figure out your palate and your personal taste preferences. So these are just our own suggestions on what we like to pair with steak, but take them as they are. Experiment with them and figure out what tastes best to you.
So, in order to meet the flavorfulness of the meat, you need a wine that fulfills those characteristics. So you want to find a wine that is high in tannins. Tannins are a bitter taste that leave your mouth dry after each sip. And it's also the part of wine that cleans your palate between each bite, which is the reason that wine with high tannin levels are so popular to pair with steak. Tannins are a substance that's released from the grape skins, seeds, and stems while they're soaking during the fermentation process. And this is what gives wine that complex flavor.
So our number one favorite wine to pair with steak is Cabernet Sauvignon.
Cabernet is a go-to wine to pair with steak. The high tannin levels soften the fat in the meat and cut through the juiciness. Cabernet is typically a full-bodied, bold wine with hints of earthy notes, oaky notes, and aging notes.
So one of our favorite Cabernet Sauvignons to pair with steak is Horse Heaven Hills Reserve 2016.
This wine is bold, tannic, dry, and acidic with hints of oaky notes, black fruit notes, and earthy notes.
And because this Heaven Hills Cabernet Sauvignon is so bold and tannic, makes it perfect to pair with a variety of different types of steak. Another type of wine we really enjoy pairing with steak is a red Zinfandel.
Red Zinfandel is a sweeter wine where the fruitiness contrasts the meatiness of the steak. It has a moderate tannin level and a high acidity and a bold flavor.
And red Zinfandel typically goes really well with a more zesty, spicy seasoned steak. One of our favorite red Zinfandels for steak is 1000 Stories Zinfandel 2017.
This is a very bold wine that is slightly smooth, slightly dry, and soft with hints of oaky notes, black fruit notes, and earthy notes.
And then last for our favorite types of wine to pair with steak is Merlot.
Although Merlot is not our first choice, it's a very popular wine that's inexpensive and it pairs well with steak. Typically, Merlot has red fruit notes, black fruit notes, lighter tannins, and a soft finish.
So a good Merlot that we found to pair with steak is Trig Point from the Alexander Valley 2017.
This wine is bold, smooth, dry, and soft, with hints of black fruit notes, oaky notes, and red fruit notes.
So two honorable mentions of wines to pair with steak are Syrah and Chardonnay.
Syrah is a full-bodied, rich, earthy wine. And for those white wine lovers who have to have white wine no matter what they eat, a great choice is Chardonnay because it's such a bold wine and it will better match the flavor of the bold steak.
And again, Chardonnay is not our first choice for a wine to go with steak, but if you don't like tannins and you absolutely want white wine, that's probably going to be one of the most bold options so that that flavor of the wine will match the best with the flavor of the steak. All right, those are our favorite types of wine to pair with steak. What's your favorite type of wine to pair with steak? Let us know in the comments below.
And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It really helps us out. We'll see you in our next video. Cheers.